Government is spending more money on advertisement and also wasting taxpayers' money for paying salaries for their Congress karyakartas. This is very unfair. When the financial position of the state government is in distress, when they are unable to pay the salaries of the government employees, wasting state funds is not correct. Chief Minister, who is also a finance minister, should take this matter seriously. Secondly, one more important issue. Ekatma Manava Darshan program was organized in Open University at Mysore, wherein our Central Minister Dharmendra Pradhan was also supposed to be present on this occasion. But all of a sudden, state government has issued notice, the concerned minister has issued notice to the Vice Chancellor, and they have pressurized Vice Chancellor to cancel the program. This unnecessary interference of the state government in the university matter is very unfair. Recently, state government passed a bill in the Belagavi session. So state government, they are doing this dirty politics. They are entering into the university and doing dirty politics in universities also. It's none of the business of the state government. They should allow universities to go ahead with the function that has already been organized.
And Congress also demand that he is not a freedom fighter. Why we supposed to do his event like that?
Congress party, they have their own opinion on Subhash Chandra Bose also. It is not their opinion which matters.